is explain the structure of typical flower. What is the definition of flower? Flower is highly modified shoot specially developed for sexual reproduction. Single flower consists, if there is a typical flower, that flower consists calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. These four orals are there. Calyx is the outermost oral of a flower. That means there are two accessory orals and two essential orals. What is the main purpose of flower? Is sexual reproduction and production of fruit. That means that flower is converted into fruit. Single flower consists two accessory orals. Outermost oral is called as calyx. It is made up of individual part that is called as sepals. Sepals are green in color. If sepals are united, that condition is called as gamosepalous. If sepals are free, that condition is called as polysepalous. In some flowers, 5 sepals are there, these are free. If these are united, then condition is called as gamosepalous. What is the function of calyx? First function, green in color, there for photosynthesis. Next function, protection of inner parts of the flower in bud condition. कळीच्या अवस्थेमध्ये फुलाच्या आतील भागाचे संरक्षण करण्याचे काम कोण करतं? कॅलिक्स. This is first oral, that is the calyx. Individual part, sepal. Single part ला calyx काय म्हणायचं? Sepal. Then next oral, that is called as corolla. Corolla is bright in color. Colorful corolla occurs in the plants where cross pollination takes place with the help of agents like insects. कीटकांना आकर्षित करून घेण्यासाठी करोला काय वेळेला कसा असतो? ब्राईट कलरचा किंवा कलरफुल वेगळ्या कलर मध्ये असतो. The individual part of corolla is called as petal. This individual part is called as petal. When petals are free, that condition is called as polypetalous. And when petals are united, that condition is called as gamopetalous. Is it clear to you? What is the function of petals or corolla? To attract the insects for pollination. And second function, protection of inner parts of the flower in bud condition. कळीच्या अवस्थेमध्ये आतील फुलाच्या भागाचे संरक्षण. Is it clear to you? This is the second oral. Actual process of, in the process of pollination, fertilization, directed to parts of the flower or orals of the flower takes part. That is the androecium and gynoecium. 2 cases and 3 cases. But calyx and corolla helps. Therefore called as accessory oral. And then third and fourth oral called as essential orals, that are androecium and gynoecium. These two are essential. Why these are essential? Because they take direct part in the process of pollination, fertilization and production of fruit. Is it clear to you? Third oral is called as androecium. That is the part of flower in which male reproductive structure consists. Third oral, that is the androecium. It consists of many stamens. Each stamen consists anther and filament. Anther lobe produces pollen grain. परागकण त्याच्यामध्ये तयार होतात पिवळ्या रंगाचे. That is the male reproductive structure, and male gamete produced inside the pollen grain, and that pollen grain produced in the anther, and that anthers are supported by the small filaments, and filaments coming together and forms a single monoadelphous tube in the hibiscus. In another flower, what happens? These stamens consist these anther and filament. Single individual filament is there. In hibiscus, many filaments coming together forming a monoadelphous tube. Male reproductive structure, that is called as androecium. It consists many stamens or some stamens. Here 2 stamens are there. In some flower many stamens are there like hibiscus. Each stamen consists anther and filament. Anther produces pollen grain, and pollen grain after maturity released, and they are transported to the stigma of same flower or another flower by the agencies. That process is called as pollination, paragivoron. Transfer of pollen grain from one flower to another flower or the same flower, that is called as pollination. After pollination, that pollen grain germinate, pollen tube formed, and from the pollen tube male gamete combines with here female gamete, and there is a production of, that is called as fertilization, union of male and female gamete. And after fertilization, there is a production of seeds inside the fruit, and total ovary get converted into the fruit. That means what is the main purpose of flower? Is the production of fruit. Produce fruit. In the angiosperms, main purpose of flowers are produced for the sexual reproduction and the production of flowers. Then next oral, that is called as gynoecium. Gynoecium is the innermost oral of a flower, and individual part of gynoecium is called as carpel. Here many carpels are present in some flower, and these carpels consist which parts? In the carpels, basal part is called as ovary. Then this upper part is called as style, and uppermost sticky stigma is present. Here single carpel is there. Individual part of the gynoecium is called as carpel. Each carpel consists stigma, style and ovary. Stigma in Marathi kukshi. बराबर है ना? Stigma, style and ovary. On the stigma, when pollen grains are transported with the help of wind or animals or birds or insects, that pollen grain germinated on the stigma. Here, tell me the parts of single carpel. Stigma, style and basal part ovary. In the ovary, there is the presence of ovules. Inside the ovule, egg is produced, and with that egg and male gamete coming from the pollen grain combines to form, that is male and female gamete combines. That process is called as fertilization. After fertilization, single seed is produced from single ovule. In single seeded fruit, example in mango, single seed is there due to single ovule. But many seeded fruits like papaya, guava consist many ovules in the ovary. Is it clear to you? After pollination and fertilization, there is production of seeds from the ovule and fruit from the ovary. Individual part of calyx called as sepal. Individual part of corolla called as petal. Individual part of androecium called as stamen. Individual part of gynoecium called as carpel. These are the individual parts of the calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. The stamen is the individual part of androecium, consists anther, two lobes and filament. Okay. Individual part of gynoecium consists single carpel having stigma, style and ovary. What is the function of flower? Production of fruit after pollination and fertilization. Production of flowers are converted into fruit after pollination and fertilization. Is it clear to you? What is the definition of flower? Highly modified shoot, specially developed for sexual reproduction. What are the parts of typical flower? Calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. Calyx is green in color, outermost oral, made up of sepals. When sepals are free, polysepalous. When sepals are united, gamosepalous. Function, photosynthesis and protection. Second oral corolla, individual part, petal. When petals are free, polypetalous. Petals are united condition, gamopetalous. Petals are bright in color. Function, attract the insects for pollination and protection of inner part of the flower. Third and essential oral, androecium. There are two essential oral, androecium and gynoecium. Two accessory orals, calyx and corolla. What is the function of single individual part of androecium? Stamen consists anther and filament. Function, production of pollen grain. Gynoecium, individual part, carpel. Parts, stigma, style, ovary. Function, production of ovules and seeds after fertilization. And fruit after fertilization. That is the whole function of the flower is production of fruit after pollination and fertilization. Is it clear to you? What is the function of flower? Production of